I'm here to say to you, servants of the Lord, wherever you are, some of you are living in sin. If you're not careful, you will not make it for heaven. You will not make it for heaven. I know very well that you're a man of God. I know very well that you have heard God speaking to you. But the way you are living, does it please God? Are you living in the obedience of God? Are you living in the obedience of God? That's the most important thing. Yes, it's true. God uses you. That's what happened with the children of Israel. They heard God speaking to them. They saw the miracles of God. They saw the miracles of God as they were there in Goshen. Some of the plagues that happened, they could not touch their land. They could not touch there in Goshen as they were there in Egypt. They could not touch in Goshen. God preserved them. They saw all these things happening. The glory of God, by day, the cloud of God was covering them. By night, there was a pillar of fire that was with them. That pillar of fire walked with them. Not only that, God parted the Red Sea. The Bible tells us that even the rock that they drank water from, it was actually accompanying them. But we see scriptures is telling us that 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 5, but nevertheless, God was not pleased with them, and most of them were scattered in wilderness, including the 70 elders that received the spirit of Moses. They could not make it to the promised land. Even their leader Moses, he could not make it. It's just a wake-up call for us. It's true, we've heard God speaking to ourselves. That's why I'm saying, do not be deceived by the manifestations and the miracles. Seek a relationship with God. Make sure that you have a genuine fear of God. You are living a righteous life before God. That's the most important thing. It has to be your desire.